In today's video, we are going to solve some sound numericals and also derivate the formulas for solving the numericals. So first of all, we have to see what is a wave and its components also we have to see in this video. First of all, so for example, if this is a origin and this is a wave, this is suppose this is a straight line and this is a wave. So the distance between two consecutive distance and distance is called the wave. So what do we call these things? The upper part is called crest, CRESTS, and the lower one is called trough, TROUGH. So the distance between these two consecutive parts of a wave is called the wavelength of the wave, and the time taken to complete one frequency is called the time period. So you have learnt it in your previous classes that frequency equal to 1 by time period. This is important for the derivation of the formula which we are going to use today. So the formula which we have to derive is simple. So first of all, we all know that speed or velocity equal to distance upon time. But for a wave, distance is total wavelength. So speed equal to wavelength upon time period. So V equal to, we can denote the wavelength by this Greek alphabet lambda and time period by capital T. So when you shift, you can also write this as V equal to lambda into 1 by T. So as we have seen in the previous slide, by that frequency equal to 1 by time period. So by this V equal to lambda into nu. This is the formula we have to derivate. So this we have derivated successfully, and this letter is the Greek alphabet lambda, and this is nu. By this we denote wavelength, and by nu we denote frequency. So now we are going to solve some numericals on sound. So first question is, a sound wave has a wavelength of 1.5 meter in a gas and 0.8 meter in air. We have to calculate frequency of sound and velocity of sound in a gas if the velocity of sound in air is 340 meter per second. So for writing these numerical problems we have a standard way. तो उस हिसाब से हमें सबसे पहले गिवन लिखना पड़ता है. तो गिवन हम लिख लेंगे. What is given to us? We are given that the wavelength in gas, let us suppose that wavelength we denote it by lambda 1, that is given to us 1.5 meter. I am writing here G, that means gas, and the lambda 2 means the wavelength second which we are given is 0.8 meter. In what? It is in air. Now we are given the velocity in air which is 340 meter per second, and तो हमें फाइंड क्या करना है? हमें फाइंड करना है V1, that is velocity in that particular gas. What is the velocity of sound in that gas? So first we will write solution part A. So अभी हमने डेरिवेट किया था कि V इक्वल टू म्यू लैम्डा बाय 2. तो म्यू हमारा रहेगा लैम्डा बाय 2 बाय V2, सॉरी V2 बाय लैम्डा 2 इक्वल टू 3400 340 बाय 0.8। अभी हम ये पॉइंट कैंसिल करने के लिए ऊपर लेके जा सकते हैं, इसलिए 3400 बाय 8। जब हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे तो आंसर आएगा 425। अब फ्रीक्वेंसी का यूनिट होता है हर्ट्ज, तो सामने हमें हर्ट्ज रखना पड़ेगा। तो ये हो गया पार्ट 1 का सॉल्यूशन। अब पार्ट 2 में हमें क्या निकालना है? पार्ट 2 में हमें निकालनी है वेलोसिटी ऑफ साउंड इन द गैस। तो v1 मतलब वेलोसिटी इन गैस इक्वल टू म्यू, जो हमने अभी फ्रीक्वेंसी निकाली, इनटू लैम्डा 1। सो हमने फ्रीक्वेंसी निकाली थी 425 एंड हमें वेवलेंथ दी गई थी 1.5। सो if we solve this we will get 637.5 and the velocity SI unit is meter per second, or you can also write as m s to the power minus 1. Second question is calculate the distance traveled by a sound wave having frequency 1000 Hz and wavelength 0.25 meter if it travels for 5 seconds in a certain medium. So we will write given our frequency is given 1000 Hz, wavelength is given 0.25 meter, time t is given 5 seconds and to find, मतलब हमें फाइंड जो करना है वो है डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय द वेव d। तो सॉल्यूशन इसका सिंपल है, हम लिखेंगे v इक्वल टू म्यू बाय लैम्डा। अभी v हमारे पास फ्रीक्वेंसी है 1000 एंड लैम्डा इज 0.25। So when we solve this we will get 250 meter per second. Now as you all know v equal to distance upon time. So we have calculated time is 5 seconds, so 250 into 5 equal to d. So when you solve this you will get distance to be 1250 meters. The audible range of a sound is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz at 22 degrees Celsius. That means room temperature. In air, speed of sound is 344 meter per second. So we have to express these frequencies in terms of wavelength by calculating the values. So what is given? We are given frequency 1, that is the minimum, equal to 20 Hz, and the maximum frequency we are given 20,000 Hz, that means 20 kHz or 20 kilohertz, and velocity we are given 344 meter per second. So the wavelength which we have to find, lambda 1 we have to find, and lambda 2, that means wavelength for 20 kHz also we have to find. So v equal to mu 1 delta 1 lambda 1, sorry. So 344 we will equate this equation, 344 equal to फ्रीक्वेंसी 1 हमें दी गई है 20 और लैम्डा 1 वी आर गिवन, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट। सो इसे डिवाइड कर लेंगे 344 बाय 20, आंसर आ जाएगा 17.2 मीटर्स। अगले में भी सेम ही करेंगे। अगर आपको थोड़ा शॉर्ट ट्रिक यूज करनी है तो हमें पता है आप पे इंटू 1000 होने वाला है, क्योंकि किलो हर्ट्ज है तो हम डायरेक्टली बाय 1000 कर लेंगे और इससे आएगा 17.2 इंटू 10⁻³ meters, or for standard notations you can write 1.72 into 10⁻⁴ meter. I will erase this. This is only good for solving the questions. Fourth question is, it is a special type of question which is echo question. So a child shouted hello near a cliff and heard the echo after some time. If the speed of sound is taken, you can read this question. Now we are going to solve this. What we are given is speed of sound 345, distance we are given 690 meters, and time we are not given. So basically आइडिया ये है कि अगर आवाज आपकी यहाँ से गई तो उसने एक डिस्टेंस डी ट्रैवल किया होगा और इको में वो आवाज आपको वापस सुनाई देती है, तो वापस उसने डिस्टेंस डी ट्रैवल किया होगा, तो आप टोटल डिस्टेंस लिख सकते हैं 2d, और इस केस में 2d होगा 2 इंटू 690 विच इज 1380 मीटर्स। तो हमें फाइंड टाइम करना है, तो सॉल्यूशन इजी है। v इक्वल टू डी बाई टी, मतलब वेलोसिटी इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, एंड 345 इक्वल टू 1380 बाई टी है हमारे पास, मतलब t आएगा 1380 बाय 345, and when you solve this you will get answer to be 4 seconds. Now let's come to some NCERT exemplar problems. The sound produced by a thunderstorm is heard 10 seconds after the lightning is seen. Calculate the approximate distance of the thunder cloud. So distance, velocity equal to distance upon time. Distance means इससे यहाँ ले जाएंगे तो डिस्टेंस इक्वल टू वेलोसिटी इनटू टाइम, और वेलोसिटी दी गई है 340 एंड टाइम दिया है 10, मतलब आएगा 3400 meters or 3.4 kilometers. And the last question for today is, if velocity of sound in air is 340 meter per second, we have to calculate the wavelength in first part and frequency in the second part. Values are given. So what we are given is velocity v equal to 340 meter per second. We are solving first a part. Wavelength is given 256. Oh sorry, we have to calculate wavelength if frequency is given 256. So it is given 256. We will apply the same formula, v equal to mu into lambda. So this will be 345 by 256 will be the value for lambda, and when you calculate this further you will get 1.232 meter or somewhat near that. And for the second question we are given v equal to 340 meter per second, lambda we are given 0.85, and we have to find the frequency nu. So we will write that again, v equal to nu into lambda, which is nu equal to therefore 340 into 0.85, upon 0.85, 340 into 100 you can write, and here 85. So you can cancel this out and frequency you will get 400 hertz. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video helpful तो like कर देना वीडियो को, share with your friends, and thanks for watching.